Hey there, future nurses. Mastering drug calculations is absolutely crucial in your nursing journey. Whether you're in your first year or about to graduate, getting a firm grip on this skill can literally save lives. First things first, accuracy is everything. Mistakes in drug calculations can lead to underdosing or overdosing, both of which can have serious, even fatal consequences for patients. You don't want to be responsible for that, right? Now let's talk confidence. Knowing your calculations inside out boosts your self-assurance. It means you can administer medication without second-guessing yourself. Your patients will notice your confidence too, which builds trust. And trust me, trust is key in nursing. Drug calculations also streamline workflow. Imagine being able to quickly and accurately determine dosages without having to pause and double-check constantly. It makes you more efficient, allowing you to focus more on patient care rather than getting bogged down by numbers. But it's not just about speed and confidence. Understanding drug calculations also deepens your overall understanding of pharmacology. This knowledge helps you to catch potential prescription errors and to understand the implications of various dosages. So how do you master it? Practice, practice, practice. Use every opportunity, whether in class, during clinicals, or even while studying at home. There are loads of resources out there like apps, online quizzes, and study groups. Make use of them. Remember, mastering drug calculations is a journey. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it. Your future patients are counting on you. Alright, that's all for today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you'll nail those drug calculations in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you in the next video.